So good morning. In this video I will explain the projection of solid of so here the object is a cone. Okay, so here you can see the object is a cone and the dimension is given. Base is 50 mm and axis is 70 mm. Rest on VP. So here the cone is in VP. Okay, so I will show you the quadrant. This is HP and this is the XY line. This is VP. Okay, and here the cone, see this is the cone. Okay, I will see this is the apex of the cone. Okay, so here the cone is in VP. Okay, with its axis inclined at 45 degree to VP. So then you have to tilt this object to right side or to left side such that this inclination is VP inclination is 45 degree to VP and the HP inclination is 30 degree. Okay, so here the object is in VP and it is the axis inclined at an angle of 45 degree to VP and 30 degree to HP. So first you have to draw the front view. So here this is the front view direction. So when you look from this side you can see the circle. So first you draw the XY line, then first you draw the circle. This is the front view. First you draw the circle, then this is the position to get the top view. Draw the top view. So top view is actually a triangle. So project the front view and then draw a triangle of height 70 mm. Okay, so height you can see 70 mm. So draw a triangle. Then the next step is you have to tilt this object either right side or left side. Okay, you can tilt it on both sides. So here I am tilting this object to the right side 45 degree. So here I am tilting this object such that the inclination with the VP is 45 degree. Then project this top view, and project the front view here to here. Okay, you will get points. Then join all the outer points. Then draw the visible areas using dark lines, invisible areas dotted line. So here you can see this portion is actually represented in dotted curve C D E F G. So when I look from in this direction, this C D E F G, that portion is actually invisible. So that's why this portion is a dotted line. Okay, then the next step is, so here in this front view you can see this is the front view of the axis. Okay, so this length is called the apparent length. This length is called AL, apparent length of the axis. So here the actual length of the axis is 70 mm. The actual length of the axis is 70 mm. But here in this 70 mm makes an angle of 30 degree with HP. Okay, but here this length is actually apparent length. This length is actually apparent length. So you have to find the inclination of the apparent length with the horizontal plane. If this length is 70 mm, then you can tilt this object such that this angle is 30 degree. So you have to find the apparent inclination. So using the line rotation method in projections of lines. So you have already studied about line rotation method in projection of lines. So using line rotation method you have to find the apparent inclination in the front view. Okay, so I actually find the apparent inclination. So that value is 45 degree. Then you have to tilt this front view like this with this apparent inclination. So here this is the apparent length, axis apparent length. Apparent length means the reduced length, the length which is less than actual length, that is called apparent length. So here this is the axis line. This axis makes an angle of 45 degree with HP, but in the problem you can see that the axis makes an angle of 30 degree with HP. So here you think that here this inclination is 30 degree. If this angle is 30 degree, when if this axis length is 70 mm, here this axis length is not 70 mm, it is less than 70 mm. So this is apparent length. So you have to find the inclination with the apparent length using line rotation method. You can find the apparent length using line rotation method. Then you have to, and another thing is with the apex away from VP and nearer to HP. So this is the apex point. This is the apex point, and here you can see the apex. When you tilt this object here in this position, you can see this apex is nearer to HP, and you have to project this front view, then project from this view, find all the intersecting points, join all the outer points, then look from this direction, visible areas dark line, invisible areas dotted curves. Okay, so this is the final view. So here, and the apex is away from VP. So here you can see in this top view, you can see this is the apex, and this distance is away. This is the distance. Apex is away from VP. Okay, so once again I will explain. Okay, so first you have to draw the front view of this cone. Okay, it is a circle, then project it, you will get the triangle, you will get the front view, then tilt this object such that this inclination, the axis inclination is 45 degree, then project this, and you have to draw this, then you have to tilt this object such that this inclination is actually the HP inclination is 30 degree. So here the HP inclination is 30 degree, but here you can see the angle is 45 degree. This 45 degree is the apparent inclination. So here this is the axis length, and this is the apparent length of the axis, and this inclination is the apparent inclination of this apparent length. Okay, so you have to find this apparent inclination using line rotation method. Refer projections of line, then project this, and you have to complete this. Okay, I hope this problem is clear.